this video, we're going to show you how to acknowledge, alarm silence, and perform a system reset on a 4007 ES panel. First, we need to have an alarm, so we're going to pull a pull station here. And the alarm comes in. First off, I have an alarm LED. I'm going to press the acknowledge button, which is on the touchscreen display. It's not a physical button. Acknowledge. Once the acknowledge takes place, now I can alarm silence by using the alarm functions button here. Now I have a new display section called system reset and alarm silence. I can use alarm silence. I have a confirmation screen. I'm going to use the checkbox and the alarm silence will take place. I have a confirmation screen here in progress. And then the next step in the reset process will be first to reset the field device. So we're going to reset the pull station. So the pull station's reset. Now I can take my stylus and I can touch this display and I can go back right to the main menu. I don't have to wait for that screen to time out. Now again, I go back to alarm functions and I can do a system reset. Notice I have an acknowledge alarm and I have an alarm that's silenced. That LED is on. I'm going to press the system reset button. It's going to ask me if I'm sure. If I'm not sure, I can simply press the X or let it time out and it'll bump back. But I'm sure, so I'm going to press the checkbox. And the system reset is now in progress. It will take some seconds to complete. And while it's doing that, we can press the stylus here, go back to our main screen, and simply wait for the reset to complete. We have our confirmation screen that says there are no alarms present. Our system reset is complete. I can use the stylus or wait for it to time out, and now the system is normal.